ahead of the championship leaders, Joker, Meister and Pavlov for flying lizards. Jack Cosmore in the challenge class ahead of Sophronas and competition as the green flag flies. A good sponsor in Lawson Home Improvement as well, a well-known name over here in America, and they have done a very good job. Decided to stay with the PT program but unable to continue next year, quite simply because they don't want it for financial reasons.
Yes, and it certainly is because of Lowe's that has any dissatisfaction with American ones. It's quite to the contrary. In fact, there's going to be a bunch of Lowe's execs here.
They are still looking for sponsors this weekend. You mentioned the Lowe's execs here. Yeah. They've had good value out of this. There's no... hydraulic ramp, so he won't be able to reach up and pull it back down again. It needs to be shut by a crew member. Just a quick final note about Lowe's. I'll give them credit as a sponsor because they know about this. They've been involved in various types of company in the States. They're very good at activation. And he is in 4th position, 2nd in P2. Johnny Molan, 3rd in P1 for this electric arms, gasoline powered hybrid. We've also got Johnny Cocker, 6th position. Nothing to be
Again, a three-way battle for the championship between John Edwards in car number 36, number 78, and Jonathan Somerton in car 30.